Hi, my name's Tom. This channel is all about doing things and finding products to make your home and life better. That's why I'm very excited to go ahead and show you this, a case. It's more than just any old case. This is the ALKOO battery organizer. It zips closed, and if you've been watching me long enough, you know that I love things with a zipper and with a case. This is what the battery organizer looks like. Look at this thing. Tons of space. This thing is designed to hold over 200 batteries, and I'm going to show you how useful it really is. Because right now, my battery organizing method is this. It's a box, sort of. And when someone says, hey, can I have two AA batteries for the Xbox controller? I say, sure. There's one. There's another one. There you go. This is awful, and it needs to get better. That's where the case comes in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all these batteries and I'm going to put them into the ALKOO battery case. This thing holds over 200 batteries, all of different types. And I'll speed up the video so you see me putting them in, but then I'll go ahead and I'll stop and I'll show you certain types of batteries and how they fit in and some of the cool features about this. First things first, it does go ahead and obviously hold AA batteries right there. Put a bunch of AA batteries in. I'm probably going to split them up a little bit so that I have some rechargeable AA batteries on one side, non-rechargeable on the other. I have mostly rechargeable now, so I don't have to worry about that too much. Another thing to note is right off the bat, when you put the batteries in, there's still plenty of space to see what kind of batteries they are and plenty of space to pull them out. This padding is real nice. It actually comes out completely if you want it to, but it does hold everything nice and in place. D cells, in they go. C cell. Here it goes. 9 volt. Here they go. AAA batteries. Here they go. Okay, looking good. One thing I didn't mention that this comes with, battery tester, and it actually works pretty well. I did test it earlier. All you do is you go ahead and take any sort of battery. I'll take a D cell here just for demonstration purposes. Put the minus on one side, put the plus on the other, and you close it up and you watch the little needle down below. I'm going to open it up a little bit just so it's off contact there. So the needle's dropped right now. I'm going to put it in, and there we go. And I can see this is actually fairly strong. So this battery is still pretty much good and ready to go. Oh, and by the way, this thing right here. So I put most of my batteries in now. I've got a couple extra things. Let me show you what I have. I have things like, here. These sorts of things, little cardboard thing. Now, there's actually a spot for the CR2032s. They can actually go across the top, but if I don't want to take them out of the case, I just turn them into here. This little mesh backing right here is good for, these two batteries are actually kind of tied together with saran wrap or with plastic tape here. Here's the 2032 as well. I'm going to throw that in here as well. I can go ahead and take it out if I want to. Here's some weird little batteries that I'm not even sure what I'm going to use them for, but I throw them in there. So I have all of my weird, really strange batteries up here, but this does keep most of the typical battery sizes you need. AA, AAA, quadruple A is down here in the corner. The C batteries, D batteries, lots of 9 volts. I don't really use them very much anymore. And again, all the little watch batteries and little button batteries can go across the top. It really is a pretty cool little case. And of course, you have your charger in it, or your tester in it. Now I go ahead and close this whole thing up. I zip it up. And now the nice part about this, I can carry it around. So when my son says, Dad, I need a battery, what kind? I don't know. I can pick up this whole case. I'll probably keep it up here. Maybe I'll keep it somewhere else. I just pick up the whole case and take it with me. I have all my batteries with me, as opposed to carrying around this great big box full of batteries and kind of walking around. That's ridiculous. This is nice, neat, clean, organized, easy to carry. I now know exactly when I open this up, I will now know exactly where my batteries are, what kind I have, what looks good, what do I need more of. You know what? I only have a couple of these AAA left. Maybe I need more. The whole thing is a really, really cool case. It's well made, well designed, comes in a couple different colors. Let me go ahead and zip up my mesh netting here so I don't lose my batteries. I close it back up, I zip it up. I use the handle to carry it around. Really, really cool. This is a nice case from ALKOO. They had a bunch of nice things. Check them out on Amazon. That's where I got this. I was given this to go ahead and review it, but I was actually very excited about it. And once I saw it, I said, hey guys, I'll go ahead and probably buy a couple more of their cases. They are very, very strong. They're durable. They look great. They work well. They hold up well from what I can see. They're not cheaply made as far as I can tell. They're just really, really nice cases. Well thought out, well organized. I like the fact they have so many extra spaces for the batteries I actually use and need. Really, just really very impressive. Really cool case, and it is highly recommended.